Good morning! Signing tayo ng deed of absolute sale for this amazing property. Waiting lang tayo for the opening of Starbucks and then signing off deed of absolute sale. So, yeah. And we're done, guys! Yan, hindi. Medyo okay lang. Pero sa totoo lang po, bilang realtor, isa yan sa mga inaabangan natin. Yung pagpirma ng deed of absolute sale ang ating buyer at ang ating seller. Means, all is well. Natapos po. And then right na, after that, magta-transfer na lang po tayo ng title towards the buyer. So, we will also help you with that. Kung hindi po kayo marunong, we also assist clients to do that. Yun na. And then, mag-move in na po ang ating buyer sa kanilang bagong bahay. So, yeah.